Hi and welcome. This is Homework with Maggie and I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For this video, a couple girls from my church asked me to crochet them some lion cubs, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. Starting with the head. I am following a pattern, so I won't be showing too much of the process. I will pretty much be showing the end result. I'm only going to be showing the process of one of the lions, but I am making 3. 2 of them will pretty much be exactly the same, while the other one will be almost completely different. Now I'm working on the ears. The ears consist of 2 different parts, so you'll see that in a little bit. All 12 ears are done, so now I have to sew them together. This is what the ears look like when they're all sewed together. And this is what it's going to look like when it's sewed to the head. On to the muzzle. All 3 muzzles are complete, and this is what it's going to look like once I sew it to the head. These are the noses, so the noses will go on top of the muzzle. I love the way that the eyes look. They look so cool. Now that the entire face/head is done, now I'm going to be working on the tail. The tail is done, and I did all 3 of them. Now on to the legs. And I'll do these pretty quickly. My brother said that the hind legs look like chicken legs, and I kind of agree. It can't be legs without some paw pads. That was a lot, 60 to be exact. Alright, I think I have every single part done except for the body, so that is what I'm going to be doing now. My cat, Daisy May, wanted to come join me, so she jumped on my desk and then she started playing with the yarn. I thought she was leaving me, but then she decided to attack. Alright, the bodies are done, and now I'm going to be making the mane. I only made one because the girls wanted theirs to be females and I wanted mine to be a male. Every single piece is done, so now I'm going to start on the sewing process, starting with the ears. It looks so cute! Now I'm going to do the muzzle and the nose. It's coming together so well, I'm very happy with it. I did all three of them at the exact same time, so that way I wouldn't forget what I was supposed to do. And here's all three of them at this stage. On to the eyes. Ooh, I love it! All three of the heads are done, and now the project is getting pretty big, so I decided to show the view from afar. Remember all those 60 paw pads that I did? Well, now it's time to sew them all to the feet. All 60 of them. Sewing on 60 paw pads definitely took a very long time. Now I'm getting into the bigger things, so instead of using just regular sewing pins, I was using safety pins. Like I said, the project is getting really big, so I decided to bring it to my bed so that I could show the full thing. Now I'm going to start sewing on the legs, then all I have to do is the head and it will be completely done. I think now they are really starting to look like actual lion cubs. Now that the back legs are sewed on, now I'm going to do the front legs, and then I think all I have to do is the head and the mane. They look so cool. I can't wait for the heads. Oh yeah, the heads make it look so much better. So I added hair to the female lions. They both look a little bit different. One has long hair and the other one has bangs with short hair. Oh my goodness, did you see my cat with the green eyes? That was kind of creepy. I love how not only can they stand on their own, but they can also sit on their own. This is just a collage of pictures that I took of all 3 lions. Alright, all 3 lions are completely done, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember, Jesus loves you.